Link building is one of the most potent SEO for you, as a web owner, to know and understand if your goal is to reach the top of search engines. Link building is the process of obtaining links to your website from other websites. It is one of the most important, in addition to keywords that a search engine will use to decide where on the site the search engine should be ranked for a specific keyword search. There are many reasons why you should invest in link building, but there are 5 more common ones. 1. The first and most important effect of effective link building is that the traffic to your site will grow tremendously. This is because each link placed on other sites is a type of ad that will promote your site. In some cases, a link will be created to your website, along with a recommendation. You don't have to pay for these link placements, so it's basically a form of free advertising for you as a web owner. 2. The popularity of your link is one of the main criteria used to decide your ranking on search engines. The total number of links you have placed on other sites and web pages is also another critical factor than Google PageRank. The more links a site is on other related sites, the higher you will appear in PageRank. 3. The popularity of the link can be directly related to the overall reputation of your site. This is especially true if the links you have created cost nothing. When visitors to other sites see your link, they consider you to be trustworthy and loyal and, as a result, also visit your website. This will help you reach the level of knowledge and just one more website available. In the internet world, building trust with the internet community is a great way to create waves of traffic to your site. 4. A large number of websites have links in some way to your website across the internet. This is an excellent advantage if you plan to sell your site later. You will receive a much higher price for the site than you would if it did not have link popularity. 5. Any free publicity and hard work you put into developing your link building will be rewarded with the results. It doesn't matter if you are selling a product or providing information on a topic, the wave of traffic you will receive, which results in dollars and cents for you as a web owner. If you're not sure how to increase your link's popularity, you're losing a lot of traffic to your site. There are many different websites and software that can help you get started. It would be beneficial if you looked at one today.